Most developers are using AI wrong and it's killing their ability to think. So I built a framework Spec-Kit-CoLearn and it changes how you use AI. So first, what is the problem current with Spec-Kit? Why should we go use Spec-Kit-CoLearn? So when you start Spec-Kit or any AI tool using without Spec-Kit, so you say, I want this thing. In AI write code, you get what you want. But after code, you learn almost nothing about the system. When after 3 and 4 months you open your own code, you can't debug. That's why I made this framework. And here is two mode. One is your senior architect, two is coding worker. Second, if we will start first mode, senior architect, it will first you will say I want this thing. So it will improve your prompt, not directly start like currently spec it. You are saying sp dot specify I want jwt. It directly start, but in this mode you will first it will ask you more question. First it will make your prompt full clear, then it will start and it will suggest you best answers, best options, and before starting all edge cases it will tell you. Like here you can see what was before problem and what it is solving. When you see say build me a login system, so it will prefer you before starting everything. First, before writing any code, it will first confirm everything, then second mode start. With your learning also continue, and after second mode, when everything will be done, you also learn everything, you know what happened, then it will start coding, second mode. Real example, when you say, I want JWT, so AI first teach you, like your senior. It will teach you everything, then ask question for make it better, then start. And over time, you building app, with building app, you are day by day growing, not decreasing level like before without this framework. And if we will say about this framework, so it is not just for Cloud Code. It is available for Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and other more tools. So don't waste time, and you can install via pip Python. If you have Node.js, so you can do npm. You can see it, and here is also mentioned. And you can direct start. So start your journey today and use it, and kindly give start to this repo because this is beneficial for you. And if you want to contribute this project, so most welcome. And today I will also create second video for what is benefit of open source project, why should you do contribute. So next video will be this content. So kindly give start to this repo, and if you see any issue, so create. And want if you want to contribute, welcome to first. Thank you for watching this video.